Well, the nice thing about a trackless swamp, mostly trackless, there is a track, is that nobody comes here. Nobody else around, no vehicle traffic. There's a sheep watching me. I'm outside in Yorkshire, so there's always going to be a sheep watching me. If there isn't a sheep watching you, you're not really outside in Yorkshire. But we have larks, we have curlews, we have lapwings, we have wind noise. And flies, we have flies too. Up there is a minor bump called Little Whernside. I'm not sure you're actually looking at the top of it from here. That is part of the ridge between Coverdale and Nidderdale. On the far side of that is the minor road from Middleham in Wensleydale over to Kettlewell in Wharfdale. This thing doesn't have a name, it's just the northern end of that even, which is Great Whernside, which is very slightly higher than Little Whernside. Neither of them is even nearly as tall as Whernside, which you can't see from here. This ditch that's right in front of me here, there, is Crookside. There is Long Hillside. That's called now. Ravenside, coming down that side. And coming off this bump, you can see the screen, I've got the sun in all over the place. This bump sticking off the front of Great Whernside has two streams coming off it. One near this end down here, one about there-ish, coming down that way. That one is Straight Dyke. The thing into which they're running, this little stream that you can see, down there, the actual bottom of this valley. So if I have confidence, then look somewhere else. That stream has its origin in a little spring way up there. It's 400 metres or a quarter of a mile for Americans. But you can't hear me over the wind, but it is 400 metres or a quarter of a mile for Americans down from the corner of the ridge. Oh, good grief. Zoomed in, my finger is huge. Somewhere there. Downhill a little, there is a spring. I'll zoom out so you can see. Right, bounce all over the place. A spring which feeds into the stream running down the centre of this, which runs all the way down there. That little tiny stream is the River Nidd. And up there is where I'm planning to go, assuming I don't sink into this quagmire and drown. And that sheep is still watching me.